Leveraging AI and analytics for business means you're constantly bombarded with data from various sources. You need to share this data with your customers and tenants using clear reports with pictures and graphs. If you're an individual software vendor looking to publish reports for business professionals, a marketer, or a data analyst, managing at scale and making sense of this overwhelming amount of information can be a daunting task. The answer is Embedash, brought to you by iLink, a long-standing Microsoft partner. Designed for ISVs who want to amplify their software with self-service reporting capabilities without the complexities of coding, Embedash redefines analytics as a service. No more delayed time to market. Instead, roll out reports instantly, implement robust row-level security, and expedite your analytics journey. Accelerate your data journey with role-based access control, effortless self-service report generation, secure data isolation, an enriched user experience, and white-label solutions that elevate your brand. Within Embedash, optimize your experience with world-class capabilities, including seamlessly adding reports and datasets to the system for a holistic view of your data, ensuring a well-organized platform. Effortlessly publish your reports to make critical information readily available to your intended audience. Consumers can save personalized bookmarks with filters for easy reference and swift navigation for the reports. ISVs can efficiently oversee multiple tenants through the multi-tenant feature. Elevate security and user convenience with Microsoft Entra ID-based authentication through a single sign-on mechanism. Ensure data security with row-level access, tailoring different user permissions. Multiple options for exporting reports with PDF, aptX, and PNG offer flexibility in data utilization and sharing. Embedash makes it easy for anyone in your company to get started with two distinct models. Standalone, a self-contained experience to utilize features independently, and plug-in to effortlessly incorporate Embedash into your existing applications. Get ready to elevate your analytic experience to integrate Power BI reports into ISV or tenant applications. It's all about personalized experiences with Embedash as your guide. Get in touch with our experts today to learn more.